Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. Let's learn their names one by one. The first animal is a rhino. This is a rhinoceros. The next one is a zebra. This is a zebra. A zebra is a wild animal. The next animal is a deer. A deer is a farm animal. The next one is a camel. This is a camel. A camel is also a farm animal. The next one is giraffe. Giraffe is a wild animal. This is giraffe. Giraffe. The next animal is a hippopotamus. This is a hippo. The next animal is elephant. This is elephant. A fox. This is a fox. A tiger. This is a tiger. A lion. This is a lion.